triggering emergency responses in several states.
I don't see a Jeep Patriot.
It's in the ditch.
I wonder Kansas declared a state of emergency.
Merry Christmas! Yeah. She just left her vehicle.
Oh, lovely.
I don't know what else to do. I've got two more behind me.
We got the
Yeah.
Jeep right there.
Okay.
It went out. So, do you need help with this right now?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, man.
You're welcome.
So bad. Should have a ski mask. Yeah, so here's what I'm thinking. I've got two of these soft shackles, which will keep from scraping on a strut. And I'm thinking if we go in that strut area with this, and then take the tow rope, take the green tow rope with the hook to it, hook it to the other end, and then hook our winch cable to that. That way we've got an even line going from each side and just pull them straight up.
Yeah, you're the one that knows what to do, so.
Yeah, that's what I would do. So your only other option is to grab him by the inside his wheels and yank him that way, but he won't be able to like try to help at all. So I would definitely go for the strut first. I need to be in line with him as straight as possible, so guide me in. Yeah, this would be good. So let's grab the soft shackles. Here's this, and then here's one soft shackle. If you could go in the strut on the driver's side, just wrap this around the strut and then hook one of the hooks to it. Like right in there on that strut. Look it back through and then run the hook, put a rope on it. I said it's warmer down here. I got a snow block. No. You're around a brake line. Yeah, it's always good to have two eyes. Yeah, his strut's buried in the snow. Let me get under it. We did get the AAA. I think it's that guy we passed that was stuck in his driveway.
Okay.
He just wants it moved back up.
Okay, that's fine. We'll get that taken care of after this.
I gave him a 2-hour ETA. It said dispatch you on it, so since we're together.
So
Okay, can you hand me the hook on this end? Thank you. There it goes. I think we're good if you want to shovel some of the heavier stuff out up here. Yeah, just his undercarriage is going to catch it. You just get kind of the deep stuff cleared in the path. Grab the controller, and then I guess you want me to back up. We're at that stuff. You want me to back up in the groove? Okay. Just and I'll watch the passenger side. That looks a lot better. Who's trying to call?
That was AAA.
Okay, say when. That, yeah, it's coming up good. Okay, you want me to pull up? Okay, have him set his brakes. Ready? Okay. Let's try to get him just a little bit further to the space we got. At least get him over the hump anyway. Okay, what do you think? Maybe have me pull forward a little more just to straighten him out, or do you think he can? I'm just worried he's going to slide back, so.
I'm worried he's going to slide back too, so now let's release some tension. Forward. Go to the other end.
Forward.
Okay. The charts, please.
Go. Get some wind block. Oh, I brought these boots.
I definitely need to get me a pair. I'm gonna go sit in my car for a minute.
Yeah, he'll get warmed up. Thank you. Kitty litter, put it down in the path of this. We move out of his way, see if he can get on out, and then we'll go for that other vehicle. Oh yeah, gotcha. Thank you for all your help.
No problem.
Yeah, holler at us, email us. We're always looking for help, so. have a good connection just to hook to it, or do we need the shackles
don't
again?
have anything yet.
There's
Choke point's right there.
shackle running through here. Right here. Oh yeah, let's do that and just go straight to the winch line. So bring the pink one over here first. Yeah, perfect. So then we'll hook straight to it. Did I get a soft shackle? I didn't see it. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, just direct me and direct him. Okay, that should be good. Good job, Bear. I put your tip in there.
Okay, I was about to say, didn't we actually just do $40?
I hope the other didn't blow out.
It's all good. The other okay. We need to know that location to the next call.
Oh, one, go ahead.
CPS showing 25 minutes now. Information. Along the rehab and roadway under a wind advisory. In case power is out and towers go down, I want to let you know 25 minutes out.
10-4, copy that, sir. I appreciate it. It's going to be 811 North Poplar.